Gardening can be a rewarding hobby, but it can also be a lot of work. Having the right tools can make all the difference in the success of your garden and the enjoyment of the gardening experience. One way to ensure that you have all the tools you need on hand is to use a gardening tool belt. In this video, we will review the top 5 best gardening tool belts on the market to help you choose the one that will best meet your needs. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Let's get started. Truly Garden Tool Belt. The first tool carrier on our list is the Truly Garden 7 Pocket Tool Belt. This sturdy and fully adjustable belt is made of strong 600D polyester and fits waist from 26 inches to 48 inches. The 9-inch by 11-inch tool pouch is perfect for carrying all of your essential gardening tools and valuables. It has a large pocket that can hold everything you need, as well as a pocket specifically designed for a folding knife and other sharp tools. In addition to the tool pouch, the belt also has a tool holder with 5 pockets. The zippered pocket is perfect for a notebook or valuables, while the larger pocket is great for tools and the smaller pockets are perfect for seed packets, a sharpening rod, and a pruning or pocket knife. The water bottle holder is also versatile and can hold a foliar spray bottle or your favorite beverage while gardening. Other features of the belt include a snapping loop for grafting or tomato tie tape or twine or string, a carabiner for gloves or keys, and a side sleeve for a cultivator hoe, weeder, or another long-handled tool. There is even a spot for your pencil or pen, and a grommet on the back for easy hanging when not in use. This tool belt is like a garden apron, keeping all of your tools with you and ready to go. It helps to prevent you from setting down your tools and losing them. The Truly Garden 7 Pocket Tool Belt is available in a green-tan color and is made of durable polyester. N1 Oxford Tool Belt. Moving to the next, we've got the N1 Oxford Large Capacity Tool Belt with adjustable belt. This is not only a gardener tool belt, it's also perfect for electricians, construction contractors, carpenters, molders, plumbers, and handymen. It is suitable for both men and women and can be used on multiple occasions. The tool belt has 2 large main pockets and tool belt loops, allowing you to carry all types of tools and small parts for your gardening. The tool ring can hold commonly used screwdrivers and pliers, and there is also a separate ring for your hammer. The tool belt pouch is made of 600D Oxford cloth, which is firm and durable. It won't be pierced and has twice the lifespan of a normal kit. This adjustable belt can fit any waist, and the belt width of the tool bag is 1.9 inches, making it comfortable to wear and providing a strong fit. It won't hurt your waist like other narrow belts. M8 Garden Tool Belt Holster. Though the M8 Garden Tool Belt Holster is perfect for gardeners, it's also a great choice for woodworkers, carpenters, and anyone who enjoys crafting. It is made of durable, waterproof PU leather and is easy to clean. The tool belt does not include any gardening tools. The tool belt has 3 pockets of different sizes to hold different tools, and the adjustable belt length of 49 inches gives you protection while still being flexible enough to move comfortably. The belt stays fastened and will not easily move. The garden tool belt with pockets has enough space to reduce hand-arm fatigue, making it perfect for wearing out in the garden. It can help you easily find your gardening tools in your pockets, keeping your tools organized and improving your work efficiency. The tool belt is great for storing a variety of tools for planting, trimming, transplanting, and removing stubborn weeds. In addition to being a useful tool for gardeners, the waterproof PU leather garden tool belt with an adjustable belt is also a great gift for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. Get yours today and make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. The Original Pink Box PB2 Belt Tool Belt. Welcome to the Original Pink Box Size 1 Tool Belt. This durable and lightweight tool belt is made of strong polyester canvas and comes in a unique pink color, so you'll always know which belt is yours. The tool belt has 2 pouches and is designed to fit waists from 27 inches to 44 inches. It is perfect for carrying all of your tools and keeping them organized and within easy reach. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Original Pink Box Size 1 tool belt is a must-have for any toolkit. Get yours today and make your work tasks easier and more efficient. It will help you stay organized and efficient, making your work tasks easier and more enjoyable. Get yours today and take your tool storage to the next level. Jury New Gardening Organizer Bag. The GRLIU Garden Tool Belt is dedicatedly made for women. It is perfect for gardeners who want to stay organized and efficient. This gardener tool holster features deep pockets with a depth of 7.6 inches, ensuring that most regular-sized tools will fit inside. The pockets have Velcro closures to keep your stuff in place, and there are 4 removable pouches to choose from. The pockets are made of sturdy canvas cloth that is wear-resistant, anti-tear, and washable. This women's tool belt for gardening work is a true convenience for gardeners. It helps to keep your tools organized and within easy reach, and the tough canvas material ensures that it will last a long time. When you're done with your gardening work, you can simply drop the tool belt in the washing machine to clean it. GRYMU stands behind its products and offers a guarantee and replacement policy. If you have any problems with your gardening tool bag, you can get a replacement or a refund with no questions asked. Trust GRYMU to help you start your happy gardening with this convenient organizer. This is the end of the best gardening tool belt reviews. After watching this video, we hope you'll be able to find the best tool belt for your gardening task. Thanks for watching.